So here we're going to explain how to do the vacuuming of the pool. So vacuuming of the pool, obviously important to keep the pool surface clean and to keep the debris off the bottom. If you haven't got a robotic, then this is what you have to use. It's the manual vac which runs through our filtration system. So the blue pipe has at one end a little notation that says connect to vac. So only this end will go on the vacuum head. So this is our vacuum head. You connect onto the top of that like such, push it down nice and firm. We have the tally pole which we've disconnected from our leaf skimmer, and we now put that into this one, so it's into the vac head, and drop that into the pool. Extend the head out, extend that out a bit, and then we run our pipe back into our skimmer box. To do that, we need our vac plate, which, if I put my fingers through that centre hole, and I'll just show you this carefully, down through the water, and get these little leaves out of the way. You can see these little nodules I've just gone through, and then I can twist that, and it's actually set in there. I cannot pull it out. There's a little nodule there, there's 3 or 4 nodules around. Just like the skimmer basket, it's now set in. And then we take the pipe and we drop it into the pool first to allow it to fill up with water so we don't get any air coming through the system. You can see that I drop that in and just allow that to fill up with water. It's filled up with water, and I put it through the front there so that it stays in the water, and then I push it down into that central hole nice and firm, and that's our vac set up. It's ready to go. So all it's waiting on now is for me to turn on the pump. If I try and put that vac plate on while the filter's running, it's going to be a lot harder. It's really going to suck down. It's going to be hard to twist it and get it into place. So a lot easier if you turn your filter pump off while you do this process and get it set up, and then manually turn your pump back on when you're ready to vac. So here we go. I'm going to zip over, hit the pool mode button, turn our filtration system on, and we'll get some pressure running out of that vac. Our pump's now firing up. You can see the pressure going through the line as it kinks about there. And now I'm ready to vac. So, vac process, always best not to move too fast. Just go steady, back, forth, nice and steady like that. Making sure you get the vac head nice and firmly on the ground, so holding it down a bit onto the surface. I'll just get over here and I'll show you it picking up some of this rubbish so we can see it really doing its thing. Bit of rubbish there that we placed earlier just for this experiment. And remembering that just need to move nice and slow for it to work correctly. And that's the vacuum. It's as easy as that, up and down the pool, get all the spots that need to be done, and you've got a nice clean pool.